Netgear Wi-Fi extender orange light. Ensure the extender is properly plugged in and close to the router initially. Wait for the extender to fully power up, the light should stabilize. Press the WPS button on both the extender and router, if supported, to reconnect. If WPS doesn't work, connect the extender manually using a web browser. Navigate to mywifixt.net, or 192.168.1.250, then log in. Select the router's network and enter the password to reconnect. Relocate the extender halfway between the router and the desired area. Check for firmware updates via the extender settings, then install if available. Restart both the router and extender to refresh connections. If the orange light persists, reset the extender to factory settings and reconfigure.